Good day, everyone. I hope you're fine. So today I want us to just look at the simple, just one example, tricky question there. Solve for x. So now they are saying solve for x, and then the question can be like 6 marks, right? So now the first thing that I want you to know, remember, as you can see, I have a fraction which is x over 2, right? Mara, don't worry. Remember, this is x over 2. It means this can be written as what? 1 over 2 x. Okay, so it is the half of x. Just like maybe 4 over 2, you get what? 2. You see? Now, I'm gonna represent it like this. It's gonna be what? 5 minus 2x minus 1 over 2x. It is equals to 4. You see? Now, let me take this one to the other side so that I can do my maths, right? So this one is going to remain here. I'm going to say 5 minus 2x, right? It is equals to 4 plus. Remember, this one changed the sign. It's going to be plus what? 1 over 2x. Then now, since you know what you are dealing with, with the sets, we are going to do what? Square both sides. So the reason why we were squaring both sides, it is because we want to remove this square root, because you know what, a square root can only be removed when you are doing what? When you are squaring that certain expression given there. Because you know what, a square root is the same as half. Remember that you know what, Lana, mathematically there is 2, inside there is 1, so these ones are gonna cancel, right? I hope you know that. And then it is what? I'm gonna be left with what? This side, 5 minus 2x. This equals to. So now, since you know that this one is squared, I'm gonna do things step by step. 4 plus half x, and then this is 4 plus half x, right? So now let's simplify this one. So I'm gonna be left with 5 minus 2x here. It is equals to, what is 4 times 4? 16, right? And then 4 times half x. So now you are saying 4 times half x. So this one will be what? Plus 2x. And then half x times 4 is the same as 2x, right? And then half times half, it is what? 1 over 4. You're multiplying, so it is plus 1 over 4x squared. You see? Now we can do what? Like terms. So now I can do this 16. Let me sort this one because these are like terms. Plus 4x plus 1 over 4x squared. This side I have what? 5 minus 2x, right? And then since this squared it is positive, let everything come this side. So I'll have 1 over 4x squared plus 4x plus 2x, because this 2 will come that side, and I'm going to combine it with what? With 4x, since they are like terms, plus what? 16 plus what? Minus, remember now, minus 5. This is minus 5, because this 5 was positive this side. When it goes to the other side, it will be minus, equals to 0 there. So Lana will have what? 1 over 4x squared, 4 plus 2 plus 6x, 16 minus 5 plus what? 11, which equals to 0. Then we're going to factorize or do what? Use your quadratic formula. As you can see, I just substituted my things in my quadratic. So now, on your answer sheet or whatever, you are going to substitute your quadratic whatever, quadratic formula. Because now, since your fractions is better used, then you're gonna do substitution, right? You're gonna substitute there. But now I got what? I got minus 2. So my x is equals to minus 2, or x is equals to. When you're on your own, show them the substitution so that they know what will be answer. And then x equals to minus 22, right? So now we are not done. Now, when we are here, I can say we have 5 marks out of 6 marks. There's one step remaining. So now The last step is to confirm your answer by putting, like, since I have root of 5 minus 2x is going to be 5 minus 2. Then where there's x, I put what? My minus 2 that I got, right? And then I have my minus, I have x over 2. So I'm going to put minus 2 over 2. What is it giving me? 4. So now, as you can see here, my equation, it is also equals to 4. I'm still safe when using my minus 2. Let's use the minus 22. So I'm simply going to put minus, I'm going to add 2 here. And then I'm going to add another 2 here. So now this one is now giving me 18. So it means, I'm going to say what? X, it is equals to minus 2 only. You see? And then I can simply say x, it is not equals to minus 22. You see? That's how we do equations for the sets. You start by making sure that you have both sides, and then you equate, you square both sides to remove the sets, and then do your maths there, as you can see. You see? And then now, when you are done finding the two answers, the two values of x, you're going to take your calculator and confirm the two values of x. If they are both valid, right, therefore, both values of x are valid. But now, as I showed you there, only my minus 2 is valid. So, it is the only answer there, okay? So, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much.